Hi and welcome to the Clevertouch Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be covering the ways to get the most out of our new large format display screens, which feature great improvements from our previous screens. In this video, we'll cover the flagship Clevershare system. This is a system that will allow you to wirelessly share the screen of up to 4 devices simultaneously. These devices can be a mix of PC, Mac, iPhone and Android systems. PC and Mac laptops with a Clevershare app installed will even be able to control their device using the screen as if their laptop had a touchscreen. Due to limitations with Apple and Android systems, this is sadly not possible for mobile devices. First, in order to use the screens, you have to turn them on. This differs depending on the teaching space. In the crit space, you do this by using the buttons on this panel here. Because if you turn it on using a different method, you'll find that many basic features don't work, such as the mouse and keyboard. The reason for this is the panel allows use of the mouse and keyboard to switch between the PC and an external laptop when plugged in. If the panel is off, it will disable mouse and keyboard input entirely. By default, when the screen is switched on, it will use the Windows PC, which can be switched to by pressing the PC button. You can also switch over to the Android module by selecting the AUX button. For screens without a wall panel, such as those in Studio B, you can turn them on by using the button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen bezel. To switch inputs, you can simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen to change modes. This video will be split into two parts: installing and configuring the Clevershare app, and connected with the screen and interfacing with the system. This video will be covering installing and configuring the app on mobile devices and PC and Mac. You can acquire the Clevershare app from the Clevertouch website, the App Store and the Play Store respectively. For users on a PC and Mac, you can type in this bit.ly link into your browser, or follow the link in the description of this video. This will bring you to the download site for the PC and Mac versions of the software. You can download and run them as you normally would install programs onto your system, though you do require admin rights to install it. The bit.ly code that was shown previously is also on the background of the Lux mode. To configure the software, you must run it, and then select the burger menu from the top of the program as shown here. Now click Settings. Toggle on Advanced Code Mode. This is now configured correctly and can be connected to the touchscreens. To install the mobile version of the Clevershare app, you can follow the links in the description of this video, or use the QR codes displayed on the screen now. The left code is for Android phones, and the right is for iPhone users. Just scan the code and install. Once that's installed, you'll need to do a bit of configuration to make this work, just like with the PC. You need to click on the gear icon. Once in this menu, you'll need to activate Advanced Code Mode. Until you've done this, you will not be able to connect to the screen. Once this is set up, you can now connect to our screens. We'll outline how to do this in the next video. Remember that whilst your phone is connected, all content that shows on screen will be displayed, so you should take care not to display sensitive content. You should also remember at the end of your session to shut the screen down. To do this, just press the power off button. It's important to understand that this doesn't shut the PC down, and you still need to log out to protect your account. For Studio B, you can shut down the screen by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds, then clicking OK on the dialog that appears. So, thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to check out our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with videos as they're released. We hope to see you soon, but until then, have a good day.